Hello, Gadget Flow. If you're somebody who likes stand-up paddleboarding, exploring the ocean deeps, this might be the gadget to get if you're not afraid to get a little wet. We recently did an unboxing of the ASIWO water scooter, and I gotta tell you, this thing is pretty cool. It is a jet propulsion that works underwater that lets you clip it perfectly to your stand-up paddleboard, your kayak, and even has triggers so you can take it underwater and explore the ocean deeps. The interlocking pieces fit perfectly, and it's got safety parts to keep your fingers from getting shredded and to keep you from losing your ASIWO water scooter underwater. But don't worry, no matter how strong that current is, you're not going to be losing this thing because the pieces snap and lock together with fail-safes that do not let it come apart no matter how hard you're powering your water scooter or no matter how hard that current is. The 80 minutes of battery life let you go as long as you want, so long as it's only 80 minutes, and the interchangeable pieces work on 99% of all stand-up paddleboards and kayaks. Sorry to say, when it comes to a ASIWO water scooter, your stand-up paddleboard is just not that special. Simply pop it in place, lock it in place, strap it on, and get ready to go with the remote control watch that takes you everywhere so you can leave your phone behind. The interchangeable pieces go from making it a jet propulsion underwater to a force to be reckoned with above the waves, with the fin that keeps you in line and headed right where you want to take your stand-up paddleboard or kayak. Once you're done with the kayak, simply attach the finger triggers and go explore the waves beneath. Pop and lock and get ready to jet, whether that's above the waves or underwater. And now that you've heard it all, if you feel like getting the ASIWO water scooter, they are currently live on Kickstarter.